Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need to confirm prerequisites now. Check your iPhone model against Apple Intelligence requirements and make sure you've updated iOS to the newest supported build. Once done, free 5 to 10 gigabytes to allow on-device models to install, plug the phone into power, and join a stable Wi-Fi network so the download won't pause. You do this because large model files and temporary caches require room and steady power. So start the software update and storage cleanup before proceeding. Now install and configure. Open Settings, find Apple Intelligence, and toggle it on. You'll be asked to permit on-device processing. Accept this to keep data local and fast. Next, download any optional language or voice packs that match how you speak, because smaller models may need the extras to work well. Make sure you grant microphone, Siri, contacts, and photos permissions so features like summarization and personal context function. If prompts appear, choose the on-device option rather than cloud processing for speed and privacy. Finish by restarting the iPhone so the new model activates cleanly. This resolves background initialization issues. Then test key features. Ask Siri a context-aware question, request a summary of a note, and try live text recognition to confirm functions. If something fails, make sure storage isn't full and Wi-Fi is stable. Then reset Apple Intelligence settings or reinstall the iOS update. This often forces model redownloads. One key troubleshooting tip: if permissions are wrong, toggle.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.